Hello and welcome. In this video series, I'm going to show you how you can create your own game characters for game in Blender. So this is the first part, modeling part 1. You need basic understanding of the Blender to follow along. There's a link down below about Blender's interface. If you're really new to the Blender, you can follow it there.
Alright, first thing you need to do is bring the reference image. You can do it by press Shift A, or you can use the add button on the left corner, or you can just drag the image into the Blender file. Then place it to the correct position on the front view, and I'm decreasing the opacity of the image so I can place it correctly, and I move it backward while pressing the control keys. And I am making a duplicate by Shift D and place it along to the right side of the viewport. You can start modeling with the default cube, or you can start with any object. In this case, I am using cylinder, and I am decreasing the vertices of the cylinder to 8. Alright, then we can start modeling. Before we do anything else, you have to make sure you are in object's origin in the center of the viewport. Otherwise, you have to change it. So you can do it by Shift C to center the cursor to the viewport, and object set origin to the 3D cursor while pressing the object. Then you can edit mode. Alright, we can enable mirror modifier to make it easier. So whatever we do in the one side of this, it will automatically happen to the other side as well. You can go to wireframe mode by pressing Z, and will pop up a pie menu, or you can press the button on the right side of the screen. Then B to box select, or just to drag the mouse while pressing the left click. Right, you can place the object to the correct position. In this case, I am starting with the legs. Just to scale it up or down, R to rotate, and G to grab or select using box select and place it to the correct position of the leg. Scale it up, scale it down, and E to extrude the object. And Control R to make a loop cut. Loop cut means it will cut or flow of the edge into two parts. Press Ctrl while you're selecting the multiple edges or vertices or faces. So you can press Alt to select a single flow. Alright, in our mirror modifier, we can enable clipping now. Clipping means when the two sides of the model connected to each other. Throw it a little bit and move to the bit closer, it will automatically snap into each other. And I'm deleting the faces I don't want. and go to edge mode, and while pressing Alt, select the one of flow like I mentioned before, right extrude, and match the reference image and shape it a little bit. Alright, this is the neck. It's kind of tricky, so I'm making another loop cut so it will deform well when we animating, and it will make us easy to get the shape as well. A to extrude, S to scale down, and G to grab or move, or you can use the move tool like I do in this case. Alright, let's make hands. Select the faces you want. Where to hand, put the hand, and need to extrude. I'm making not loop cuts with the bending positions of the body, like shoulder, elbow, knees. Right, let's make some hands as well. So try to make a look like hand. In this case I don't making fingers except thumb. I don't think this is necessary, and if we're going to do this we have to do it in the triangles as well. Let's move the neck. I scale it up, need to extrude. Scale it up. And I'm enabling proportional editing to make the shape easier. You can use this tool like a brush. It will move the near vertices or edges of faces. Alright, let's make a head. Need to scroll, just to scale. Shoot. Alright, in this case we are filling up with the F fill tool and using knife tool to connect the vertices. Always keep quads, otherwise it will be harder to edit if you use hexagons or triangle. Get the shape, and I'm making more loop cuts here to get the shape. Right, in this case I'm going to sculpt mode. So sculpting mode is similar as editing mode, but you are drawing instead of moving. Alright, let's get the basic shape of the head. Save the file. Alright, that's it for this video. So next part we will make his hair and clothes and shoes. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.